Hello everyone. Today we're gonna show you how a coolant pump, electric coolant pump on a 2018 Toyota Camry failed. You can see the code, the error code right above me. That was the error code it was giving. Here's the pump. So this is how it looks like. It is just a electric motor with some circuit board. There is a 6-pin connection right here. And we're gonna take it apart and see what happened, why it failed. Okay, that's just the cover. This is the actual pump and this is the housing. Okay, so we are interested in this piece. Looks like it's got a lot of magnets. I see what it is. This is the circuit board, and that controls the activation of the magnets around so that this impeller can spin. Oh, it gets stuck in one position. Okay, right about here, it's just getting stuck. So the code was precisely correct. Actuator was actually getting stuck. Right here is the stuck point. I think it's a little bit off center. I think it's just a tiny bit off center. And that may be causing it to get stuck like that. Oh, and this impeller is actually... Oh, we can move it. That's nice. Let's move that impeller out. There is like a O-ring that's holding it. There you go. Don't need to break anything. It's a very, very strong magnet, by the way. On an older BMW, it was cracking the plastic on the magnet because the magnets were corroding. I wonder if this is the case here. No, I don't see any cracking. Maybe a bit swollen. And it's not cracked yet. Oh yeah, I can see right here. See the scratch mark? It's been scratching on the housing. And it looks like it's swollen in here. Yes, it is. This section is swollen. So I bet if I break the plastic, it's gonna be corrosion inside. Let's see. Maybe I should just cut it. I don't want to cut my fingers. Oh yeah. The magnet is basically falling apart. I wonder if I broke it with a hammer first. Yeah, the back magnet is broken. Yeah, I guess maybe temperature did it. Or maybe corrosion. Can't really see because it's all falling apart. But yeah, that's what it is. A high spot on this pump body, I guess impeller body or whatnot. That's what did it. Okay, well, very expensive repair though. This pump is about 600 Canadian dollars. Have a good day and select vehicles wisely.